Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We had a court date yesterday in the Doomsday couple out of Idaho, Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell. We had another court hearing, but we had something different happen this time. This time, we actually had court open to the public. Boom! Mind blown. Not another court hearing behind closed doors. And this time, boom! We actually had a motion that was heard and ruled on in open court. Well, what was the decision that actually came down in the Lori Vallow Chad Daybell matter the other day in court? Judge Boyce decided that he is going to separate the two cases after all. He ran out of time. The clock had been ticking on Lori Vallow's rights to a speedy trial, and she was out of time. The clock had run out. And Chad Daybell and his attorneys had decided they needed more time to call in experts, because the prosecution, just as this past week, was still testing DNA evidence on evidence that had been collected. And they'd done it expeditiously, but they still weren't done. 3 years from the time of this case actually started, and they're still testing evidence now. So, April 3rd, ladies and gentlemen, in Ada County, Idaho, Lori Vallow will be on trial for the murder of J.J., Ty Lee, and Tammy by herself. She will be able to place blame on her brother, Alex. She will be able to place blame on Chad. She will be able to place blame on anybody else that she can dream up, as the reason why her children are dead. And then down the road, when Chad's attorneys have had enough time to go over the new evidence, they will have their own trial, completely separated. Of course, he's going to blame Lori, blame Alex, blame anybody else that he makes up. Both of them could be blaming the boogeyman, for all I know, and for all I care at this point. But finally, we got a decision in this case, and an open court, a ruling on one of the motions. So, Lori Vallow, April 3rd, Ada County, Idaho. Will it be televised? Absolutely not. They have not ruled on that, if they will open the court to actually be televised. So, and that's where we're at right now in that case. Thank you for joining me.